Alright, what's going on YouTube? So today this video we have a 3-in-1 wireless charging station. That was a more premium version that can simultaneously charge 2 devices at once, and it's basically a station. So let's just get straight into it. Plain box. In here we do have, looks like a power adapter for the device itself and a USB-C to USB-A charging. So the wattage is 20 watts for this power adapter here. So it's going to be decent enough. It looks nice, like not even lying. Compared to other stations that I have or anything else like that. For instance, I have this one right here. It's a lot bigger, bulky, made of fully plastic. It looks really nice, but it doesn't look as nice and premium as this one that I have right here. This one that I have right here has basically an aluminum trim. All of it's made out of metal, which is really high quality. You have an Apple Watch charger right here. You have the gloss on the front here for the wireless charging station. And then you also have your charging for your AirPods or any other wireless charging earbuds or devices on the bottom as well. And it looks like we do have an LED indicator right there as well. We're gonna go ahead and test this out actually. I'm gonna see if it's gonna be able to replace my current one. Looks like this is what this power supply looks like. Plug it in and it does have a little green LED indicator right there. All right, so we have AirPods here. It's charging very quick as well. Like it's really quick. Probably the fastest wireless charger, and it also has a wireless charger right here as well. So that's for the phone, and does light up green when it is active. So we have a 13 Pro here for wireless charging. I'm gonna turn on the ringer. There we go. It automatically works. And it only supports vertical charging, so basically only vertical. You can only have it in this orientation. If you do it in this orientation, it will not charge your phone. So that's a downside to this so far. This one on here is going to be a little bit of a slower charge, but it should work nonetheless. I think the Apple Watch itself is dead. Everything seems to be charging. As far as magnets goes for the Apple Watch, just go and test that. Not very good. It does have rubber. I just realized that. It has rubber feet on the bottom here. 2 screws. Only made plastic on the bottom. It's very nice. We're going to be using this with the included cable. And we're going to go ahead and test out the charging speeds. I've been using it on my bedside. As you can see, I have another wireless charger right there as well. I've been using it like pretty much daily for the past month. I noticed it doesn't really work pretty well with the case. So if you use a case, it won't work as well, depending on the thickness. I'm not sure if this was wireless charging compatible, but it didn't work with it. If you put a device here that isn't MagSafe compatible, it'll turn red here and it'll just tell you that it's not charging, which is very smart. So I like that. And then green means it's ready and it'll auto shut off. It's a pretty good charger for if you have an Apple Watch or wireless earbuds. It charges very quickly and very responsively. The other MagSafe charger over here station doesn't always charge my AirPods. It's hit or miss. You have to kind of align it at a perfect angle and stuff like that. It's not plugged in right now, but yeah, it's not the best for that. This one, you can just drop it on and it charges instantly and very quickly as well. And it's just amazing. I love this. It's one single cable, charges really quick, very good build quality, very responsive. I love that. It's definitely well worth the money for sure. And I love that the indicator tells you exactly all the information that you need. But I'm gonna be giving it to my sister because she has a plastic one that's kind of old-fashioned in a sense for wireless chargers. They've been using that 3-in-1 style foldable design for a while. Those are good for travel. This one is good for stationary at home to make it look good in your room and everything else like that. So that's what this is specifically designed for, and it looks amazing. It looks amazing, it looks good, very well built. The bottom is plastic. Everything else is pretty much like a metal on the back and everything for heat dissipating. It doesn't make your phone hot, it doesn't make your AirPods hot, it doesn't make your Apple Watch hot. It makes it a little warm, but you know, that's typical for Apple Watches and AirPods because of the wireless charging. Wireless charging in general makes your devices a little bit warm because it's not the charging cable, if that makes sense. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and we out.